John. John. Give me a wave. There you go. Hi, Cora. Hi. Hi there.
I told Wendy
Ptači, come on. It's time for the bird wedding. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right. So as you probably know, the Winds left their homeland in Germany in 1854 to come to America to have freedom of worship, to speak their Wendish language, and to be able to live according to the religious beliefs and customs of their culture. We, as descendants of the Winds, who established St. Paul Lutheran Church in Serbin, Texas, 170 years ago, are fortunate to still have these same beliefs or customs, such as the Ptači or the bird wedding. Ptači is observed every year on January 25th, 1 month after Christmas. Many of your families have the same fond memories of celebrating the bird wedding as children. On January 25th, Ptači is celebrated in many places around the world. It is a happy celebration of the wedding of birds. Today, children in the 1st and 2nd grade class at St. Paul Lutheran School are presenting Ptači to share this traditional Wendish celebration with you. For the wedding procession, the children are dressed in traditional Wendish or Serbian wedding attire. The Brashka, who is the organizer for the wedding, leads the wedding processional. Next come the bride and groom, followed by the groomsmen and the bridesmaids. The couples are followed by children who represent a host of birds celebrating. This festive processional leads them to all the wedding fest and happy celebration. On the morning of Ptači, the children fill plates with bird food and place them outside. And later in the day, after the birds have had their wedding celebration and eaten the food left for them, the children retrieve the plates only to find that they have been filled with treats for them by the birds. The birds do this as a way of saying thank you, mais Jacques, for feeding them during the winter and for celebrating their wedding. And now the children have a song for you and a dance. Let's say thank you, mais Jacques, to all of our students who participated here.
Woo! Way to go, John.
I'll be playing some music, and they'll be coming through the aisles, so make sure the aisles are clear. I know people are trying to eat as well. But give them a round of applause when they come through your aisle, please.
Oh, they're going around. Okay. Yeah. First one in line with a stick. I guess that makes them the brush guy. Oh yeah.